In today's video, I'm sharing 5 quick and healthy sandwich recipes that are low in calories but big on flavor. Whether you need a grab-and-go breakfast or a light dinner, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. 1. Avocado and egg white breakfast sandwich. This one's a morning lifesaver, packed with protein and healthy fats to keep you energized. Ingredients: 2 slices whole grain bread, 3 egg whites, 2 tablespoons mashed avocado, a pinch of salt and pepper. Steps: 1. Toast the bread. 2. Cook the egg whites in a non-stick pan. 3. Spread mashed avocado on one slice, layer the egg whites, and season to taste. 4. Top it with the other slice, and you're off and running. Calories: approximately 250 per serving. 2. Skinny turkey and spinach wrap. It's so great if you need a super quick lunch that won't weigh you down either. Ingredients: 1 whole grain tortilla, 3 lean turkey slices, 1/2 cup fresh spinach leaves, 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt for spreading, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. Steps: 1. Spread the yogurt and mustard on the tortilla. 2. Layer the turkey and spinach. 3. Roll it up tightly, slice in half, and enjoy. Calories: approximately 200 per wrap. 3. Cucumber and hummus open-faced sandwich, a light yet satisfying snack when hunger strikes. Ingredients: 1 slice of rye bread, 2 tablespoons hummus, thinly sliced cucumber, sprinkle of paprika and sesame seeds. Steps: 1. Spread hummus on the bread. 2. Layer the cucumber slices neatly. 3. Sprinkle paprika and sesame seeds for an extra kick. Calories: approximately 150 per slice. 4. Grilled chicken and veggie panini. Craving something warm and comforting? Try this healthy panini. Ingredients: 2 slices of sourdough bread, 3 ounces grilled chicken breast, 1 slice of low-fat mozzarella, sliced tomatoes and zucchini, 1 teaspoon olive oil. Steps: 1. Assemble the sandwich with all ingredients. 2. Grill it on a panini press or skillet until golden brown. 3. Slice and serve warm. Calories: approximately 300 per serving. 5. Tuna salad. Lettuce wraps a sandwich without the bread, light and guilt-free. Ingredients: 1 can of tuna, in water, drained. 1 tablespoon light mayo or Greek yogurt, diced celery and onion, large romaine lettuce leaves. Steps: 1. Combine tuna with mayonnaise or yogurt, celery, and onion. 2. Spoon the mixture into leaves of lettuce and wrap the leaves. 3. Enjoy plain or with a squeeze of lemon for an added freshness kick. Calories: approximately 120 per wrap. And here you have it, 5 tasty and weight loss friendly sandwich ideas. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and hit that subscribe button for more healthy recipe ideas. Until next time, stay healthy and happy cooking. Let me know if you'd like adjustment or more content ideas for your YouTube channel.